My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that are coming from the site Updateubersophisticatedinfo-file.info. So this is a misleading and truly a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It claims that you have a chance of updating your Chrome, but this information is absolutely faulty. There is no need for you for installing such fake Chrome updates. Instead, all these fake updates try to hijack your browser and make you download and install certain unwanted browser extensions. So if any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.